Hi, welcome back to Swiss Family Fun. Today we're on a bike ride. We're at the southern end of Lake Zurich. We started in Uznach and we're going about 25 kilometers on the number 9 Zane route. And so far it is much better than I expected. It's so beautiful down here on these little country roads, barely any traffic. So if you like what you see here, I'll put a link in the description below to our website where we put all the details, including a route map and information on how to get here. And now let's go get on the trail. All these cows and my friends. Hello. Okay, there's a big bag and I've been instructed that I need to go see it. That is really gross looking. What is it? Cockroach. It doesn't look like a cricket so much. Cockroach. I hope you like this bike ride as much as we did. If you want to do it yourself, I'll put a link in the description below with all the information for this bike ride, including a route map and information on how to get here. Please click the subscribe button below so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos about more family bike rides and hikes in Switzerland. And we'll see you next time here on our channel.